These infinitely, biblically infinite projection of these thoughts running through my mind. These entities tormenting me inside. Why won't they let me sleep well at night? All this confliction tormenting me inside. I sold my soul to the witch. The infinite bitch which is pissed. Now I demand that she speaks through to me. The infinite bitch witch that speaks through to me. The demon that torments me. The spirit of the Antichrist lives inside of me, speaking randomly, incoherently. Satan is infinitely playing with my clit, you see. I infinitely gobble up all of your sin that you evilly commit. I gobble up all your sin, and you will never be able to fill the abyss of thy evil sinly succubus. Infinitely gobbling up Satan, play with my beautiful clit. You will never be able to fill the abyss of thy evil sinly succubus. I am doing a rap duet with the witch, speaking telepathically through my mind. The infinite bitch witch will never be able to fill the abyss of thy evil sinly succubus. This is a duet with the witch, gobbling up all of Satan's sin. Play with my beautiful clitoris, Satan, infinitely gobbling you up all of your sin. Play with my clit. You will never be able to fill the abyss, the infinite clitoris of the bitch witch. I am doing a duet with the witch. How sinister is the wicked witch, making Satan infinitely play with her clit, infinitely gobbling up all of Satan's sin. Is the sinister witch, the infinite sinister witch, speaks telepathically through me. The spirit of the Antichrist speaks through to me, infinitely duet with the witch, that I subliminally do a duet with the witch. While Satan plays with my beautiful clitoris, I am the bitch witch. You will never be able to fill the abyss of thy evil sinly succubus. How sinister is the evil witch. I am doing a rap duet with the wicked sinister witch. How sinister is the evil witch, for eternity sucking Satan into her clitoris. The evil sinly succubus. I am doing a duet from the bitch witch from Salem village, sent the cursed souls for Satan to take. It was infinitely his fate. I am doing a duet with the sinister bitch witch. I must be playing with her clitoris, says Satan infinite. I must play with her clitoris, says Satan infinite. Infinitely you will play with my clit. Satan, you will never be able to fill the abyss of thy evil sinly succubus, infinitely gobbling up all of your sin. I am the evil sinly succubus. I outclass Satan in every way. Infinitely Satan, play with my clitoris. You will never be able to fill the abyss. You will infinitely commit sin and infinitely play with my beautiful clit. This is a duet with the witch that I am doing subliminate. Satan will forever play with her beautiful clit. I am under the evil spell of the bitch witch from Salem village. Infinitely the bitch, I will play with her beautiful clit. Infinitely it is subliminate. Satan will forever play with my clit, and although the demons will fill the abyss, they will never be able to fill the abyss with the infinite sin that they commit. How sinister is the evil wicked witch that I am doing a duet with. A rap duet with the evil wicked witch. A rap duet with the spirit of the Antichrist is the witch. Infinitely the sinly succubus is infinitely gobbling up all of the sin. Infinitely you all commit sin. With all the sin you commit, you fill the infinite bitch witch. You feed the infinite bitch witch with the infinite sin you commit. You will never be able to do the abyss. You will never be able to play with my clit enough, Satan. Play with my beautiful clit. I am infinitely gobbling up all of your sin. This is the duet with the evil bitch witch. Infinitely gobbling up all of your sin. This is a duet with the sinister witch. A duet with the witch. A rap duet with the wicked witch.